Good morning, students. We were discussing new centers of power, lesson 4. And in this lesson, we have discussed two groups. One was European Union and ASEAN. Now, the third group we are going to discuss, that is BRICS. BRICS is the short form of a group of 5 countries, that is B for Brazil, R for Russia, I for India, C for China, and S for South Africa. It means totally there are 5 members in BRICS which are emerging as an economic power in the world. Again, I will tell you that 2 superpowers, but this chapter is related to the alternative powers, those which were challenging these powers, that was ASEAN, European Union, and next is BRICS. This BRICS was founded in September 2006 when a meeting of these 4 countries was held in New York. New York is in USA. Now you can see I have written word BRIC, not BRICS. Why? Because when it was founded in 2006, there were 4 members: Brazil, Russia, India, and China. South Africa joined it later. In 2006 September, it was founded by 4 countries, and its first meeting was held on 16th June 2009, and its first summit was held in Russia. In Russia, on 16th June 2009, these 4 countries met first time to decide its policy. The headquarters of BRICS is in Shanghai. Shanghai is a city in China. In 2010, South Africa joined this BRIC, and now the BRIC is known as BRICS. As for South Africa, it was founded by 4 countries. Now the number of members of countries is 5 now. It joined in December 2010, but first time as a member, South Africa participated in the summit of 2011. Students, you must remember these years. These are very important. Now the question arises, why this BRIC was formed? What were its objectives? As it is clear from the name of the lesson, new centers of power, that is economic power, political power. So the objective of BRICS was to improve the global situation and to bring reforms in the international financial institution. You know international financial institutions? IMF, International Monetary Fund, World Bank, all these are the international financial institutions, and in these institutions there was the domination of USA, because large amount of money of USA is invested in these institutions. So these countries of BRICS, they wanted to reform some rules, some regulations of international financial institutions. Third objective of BRICS was to cooperate and distribute mutual economic benefits among its members. Again, economic objective means the trade and commerce among these countries will be beneficial for all 5 members, but they will not interfere in the internal matters of any nation. Means they will respect the sovereignty of each and every nation. Basically, this BRIC is meant for economic reforms or to bring equality in the field of economy among all these 5 members, and they will not interfere what a country is doing internally in its own area. So the next objective is mutual equality, means all the countries are equal here in BRICS. So these were the objectives of BRICS. One idea was given by India in 2012 that there should be a bank that will be known as a New Development Bank, which will help all these countries for their economic growth. The members of all this BRICS meet every year, and its summits are held annually. Students, you may be searching this topic in your book, but as I have told you earlier that CBSE has made so many changes in the curriculum for this session, so this topic BRICS is not in the book. Okay, so please make your notes with the help of this PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so goodbye.